Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're exploring Machu Picchu, Peru, a place where ancient Incan mysteries meet breathtaking mountain vistas, and history rises above the clouds in timeless beauty. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Machu Picchu together. High in the misty peaks of the Andes Mountains lies one of the world's greatest wonders, Machu Picchu. An ancient city carved into stone, a place where history, mystery, and nature come together in breathtaking harmony. Often called the lost city of the Incas, Machu Picchu was built in the 15th century and later abandoned, hidden away for centuries until its rediscovery in the early 1900s. Today it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, a symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. The journey to Machu Picchu is as remarkable as the destination itself. Traveling through lush valleys, rugged mountain trails, and winding rivers, every step immerses you deeper into the heart of the Andes. At dawn, the rising sun pierces through the morning mist, illuminating the terraces and temples of the citadel in golden light, a sight that feels timeless, almost otherworldly. From its steep terraces cascading down the mountainside to its precisely cut stones that have withstood centuries of weather and earthquakes, Machu Picchu reveals the genius of Incan engineering. No mortar holds the stones in place, yet they fit together so perfectly that even a blade of grass cannot slip between them. Walking among the ruins, you discover temples, plazas, and pathways that once echoed with life. The Temple of the Sun, the Intihuatana Stone, and the Room of the Three Windows whisper of a civilization deeply connected to astronomy, agriculture, and the natural world around them. But what makes Machu Picchu truly unforgettable is its setting. Perched nearly 8,000 feet above sea level, it is surrounded by dramatic cliffs and lush green peaks with the Urubamba River snaking far below. The landscape itself feels like part of the city, as though the Incas shaped not just stone, but the mountains themselves. For travelers, the best times to visit are at sunrise or late afternoon, when the crowds thin and the light casts a mystical glow across the ruins. Standing there, you don't just see history, you feel it. The silence of the Andes, the mystery of the stones, and the majesty of the landscape make it an experience unlike any other. Machu Picchu is not just a destination. It is a journey into the past, a marvel of human achievement, and a reminder of how closely we are tied to the land we inhabit. It is one of Earth's greatest treasures, waiting to inspire all who make the climb. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Machu Picchu. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.